Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nina Ketamvi. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make a color chart for watercolor, what's its use, and how to use it. Let's get to the video. First of all, I'm writing down the names of the colors I'm using. The watercolor set that I am using is the Camlin Artist Watercolor set of 24 shades. You can arrange the colors whichever way you want to. It doesn't have to be like from the box. The first color is Chinese white, and I'm filling the first box of row 1. The first box of every row will be filled with a single swatch of the color. For the next box, I'm mixing ivory black with Chinese white. For the third, burnt sienna with Chinese white. Similarly, the rest of the boxes are filled with corresponding colors mixed with Chinese white. For the second row, the first color is pure ivory black. This box will be below the second box of row 1. Next, we mix black with the next color in order, that is burnt sienna for me. After that, with Payne's green, and so on goes the mixing. For the third row, first color is burnt sienna, below the second box of row 1. Here also the boxes are filled similar to row 1 and row 2. Make sure that the order of colors used is same for all the rows. I've completed my chart off camera. This kind of reminds me of the periodic table, but I've chosen to do it this way to avoid mixing the same two colors twice. Now how to use it? Suppose I want to mix this particular shade. Moving to the left, the first color is Crimson Lake, and moving down, the other color is Cobalt Blue Hue. That's the two colors we have to mix. Another example, we can obtain that dark brown shade by mixing Camlin Blue and Scarlet Lake. So that's all people, hope you enjoyed.